Spotlight Studios. I love today with
Kimka.
Kimka. Alright, Kimka. Would like you to do a voiceover. It's a cover.
Okay.
Alright, what song are you gonna sing?
Lovely by Khalid and Billie Eilish.
Alright, Lovely by Khalid, Billie Eilish. Okay, would love to hear that.
Gotta find a way. Gotta find a way, yeah. Bet you never go away. So I guess I'm gonna stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here. Even if it takes all night or 100 years, need a place to hide. But I can't find one near, wanna live my life outside. I can find nothing. Isn't it lovely? All alone, I'm made of glass, my mind of stone. Damn me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home. Home. Ooh, okay, I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Na 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 na. Hello.